Have you ever wondered if the money transfer app you're using is connected to a country that might be involved in geopolitical tensions? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Paysend and answer the burning question, is Paysend a Russian company? The importance of understanding the origins of a financial service is crucial, especially in today's world. It can affect trust, security, and potential risks. The rise of digital payments. With the increasing popularity of digital payments, it's essential to be aware of the companies behind these services. Paysend, a brief overview. Introduce Paysend as a popular international money transfer app, known for its fast and affordable services. Addressing the main question, is Paysend a Russian company? Straight to the point, no, Paysend is not a Russian company. Clarifying misconceptions. Address common misconceptions or rumors that might link Paysend to Russia. Paysend's origins. Provide a detailed explanation of Paysend's founding, including the nationalities of its founders and the location of its headquarters. Regulatory compliance. Discuss Paysend's compliance with international regulations and its partnerships with reputable financial institutions. The role of Russia in Paysend's operations. No direct ties. Clarify that Russia does not have any direct ownership or control over Paysend. Business partnerships. Explore if Paysend has any business partnerships or collaborations with Russian entities. Sanctions and restrictions. Discuss how Paysend navigates potential sanctions or restrictions imposed on Russia. Security and trustworthiness. Data privacy. Address Paysend's data privacy practices and how it protects user information. Security measures. Explain the security measures Paysend has in place to safeguard transactions and prevent fraud. Customer support. Discuss Paysend's customer support services and how they handle inquiries and complaints. Comparing Paysend to other Russian-linked services. Contrast with other apps. Compare Paysend to other money transfer services that may have stronger ties to Russia. Highlight differences. Emphasize the key differences in terms of ownership, operations, and regulatory compliance. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, reinforcing that Paysend is not a Russian company. Encourage further research. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and verify information from multiple sources. Call to action. Invite viewers to share the video with others and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Reiterate the importance of understanding the origins of financial services and the need for informed decision-making. Thank viewers for watching and express appreciation for their support. Thanks for watching, and until next time.